guys, this is my final unboxing of Muscle Food. This is my week 4, which is my final week. I thought I would just unbox it and show you guys, and then we'll carry on as we have been. As I said in the last video, I'm not going to be doing a full day's worth of vlogging, just because I tend to like, I planned my meals, so like every week is the same kind of thing, so I'm just mixing it up and just filming meals as and when I eat them to show you more of a variety of things. So yeah, let's get in. For those of you that don't know what Muscle Food is, I will link my videos up there and down below. I have a discount code for you guys where you can get £5 off the plan. And yeah, it comes like this. It comes by courier. Mine came by Yodel. You get a text to say when it's going to come, and it was within like a 2-hour window, so you know you don't have to like wait in or anything. It's a refrigerated box that you've got refrigerated bits in it, so I'm just gonna pull things out because there is a lot. So obviously I've got pork scratchings because they're amazing, and obviously I've got hippies. Basically, if this is your first video and you don't feel like watching the other ones, you get, I do the 5-day plan, so it's 5 days, it's £60. You can get £5 off with the code, and you get 3 snacks a day and 3 meals a day. So breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. And that is what I'm going to unbox for you now and show you. There was some new bits launched this week, which is very exciting. I'm excited to try. I can see them in the top there. So yeah, I'll show you. These aren't coming out in any particular order. These are a couple of the new things. These are Brave roasted peas, classic sea salt. And I thought they looked really yummy because they look like a nice crunchy snack. So I got a couple of those. You can see they feel good. They feel nice and crunchy. I got 4 packets of chili mountain chips because they are amazing. They're so good. So good. They're like puffed up Doritos, but they're just awesome. We've got another pork scratchings. I got some Yum milk chocolate and white chocolate crunches. These are kind of like Rice Krispie cornflake cakes, and they're really yummy. I got another one of those. I got a coconut protein flapjack for breakfast one day. I got a normal Trek protein flapjack. These are my favourites. I love them. I got some cookies and cream protein bars. They're really good. This was a new one that launched. This is an Oomph protein oats. This is breakfast, but it's a baked apple pie flavour, which sounds amazeballs. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have that tomorrow morning because it just looks delicious. That's happening. Another cookies and cream bar. This is the cold section. So you get ice packs to keep everything cold. It smells so good. I've got some maple pancakes and some plain pancakes. Now, these have got use by dates on them, so freeze on the day of delivery and then consume, and then defrost, or they can be stored for 5 days. So I will just put these straight in the fridge, and then I put them in the toaster for like a minute and then just toast them. I have put maple syrup on them, just like a teaspoon of like reduced sugar maple syrup, and it makes them even better. They've got a little bit of a lemony taste, the maple ones have, and they're so yummy. I got some of the different dinners. I got a chicken balti curry, which I haven't had before. And it comes like this. You can add your own rice to it if you want to, and you can add veggies. I got a Thai chicken curry, stir fry. The portions are huge. This is 1 person portion. They're massive. You're never ever hungry, which is amazing. I love. That is a chili beef stir fry. That's another one. Ben's had this before when he did it and he really liked it. So I thought I would give it a go, and you get your seasoning, you get your veggies and your meat. It's just another thingy. I got a Thai green curry rice pot. These you literally just chuck in the microwave for 4 minutes and then you're good to go, but you wouldn't know it's microwave food. They are amazing. I got a black bean chicken, which is probably my favourite. I think I've had the most of these, and it's just really, really yummy. And that has got carrots, cauliflower and broccoli. I got another Thai green curry one. And then I got a satay chicken. That's probably my second favourite. That one is red peppers, green beans, and then satay sauce. This is another new one that I've decided to get. Pulled pork with beans and rainbow vegetables. Look at that. It looks so good. And I think this is a... Is this microwave? Yeah, this is microwave. This is when you just keep in the fridge. Pulled pork with chipotle beans and buttered medley of carrots, green beans, red peppers, baby sweet corn and cabbage. Oh yes. And then I got 2 of the protein pizzas. Now these, when me and Ben had these, Ben thought these looked really tiny, but when we had it, he had like a giant salad with his, and he said it was absolutely fine. These are gluten-free as well. They're pizza base. It's made with water, gluten-free blend, tapioca starch, rice flour. So yeah, the fact that they're gluten-free I think is really good. So if you are a celiac, it's a really good option, and they're a really nice pizza. So I got 2 of those. I will just keep these in the fridge. They've got like another 5 days date on them, so they'll be fine. And that's it. That was my last unboxing of muscle food. I am going to, I don't know what I'm going to have for lunch, to be honest. I think I'm going to have black bean chili. So I will show you this, because I don't know if I've shown you this one or not. I quite fancy black bean chili. It is the middle of the day. This just arrived, but I want to start it today. So this is 5 days on, 2 days off. I'm just going to start it today, and I will cook this and I will show you guys in a minute. But yeah, I'm excited. As I said in my other video, I am doing this for weight loss, but I haven't timed it very well because I had my coil removed, which I'd had in for 3 years, and I had my first period since 2013 has just started. So I'm bloated as anything. I just feel horrendous. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll get a loss this week. I'm doing my boxing, I'm doing lots of walking. The kids don't ever let me sit down, which is fun. And I've got to start painting as well. I've got to start decorating some rooms, which always burns calories. No one likes painting, apart from my mother-in-law, but she's weird. It's done. I forgot about it. It's been like 10 minutes, so it's not roasting hot now. But look. Oh, it's so good. It is so good. This is definitely my favourite one. I would highly recommend if you like black beans, because I am obsessed with black beans. This is definitely one you need to try. I'm gonna go and have this, and then I might show you my dinner later. What am I having? I might just be having a tikka one tonight though. I've already shown you that one, so maybe tomorrow night. I'm now gonna try the protein oats baked apple pie ones. These are new. I haven't had these before, but they just called to me. I've only just started liking apple pies recently, but these just sounded really good. So I'm gonna make them and then I'll show you, and we'll do a little taste test and see if they taste good. Right, they have been brewing for the allocated amount of time. As soon as I put the water on, oh, they smelled amazing. So, oh, it just smells awesome. Like proper comforting, yummy porridge goodness. Mmm. Oh, they're really nice. Really, really good. Mmm. Oh, these are my favourite ones. Really, really good. Highly recommend them. I'm not the massivest fan of cinnamon. Massivest, that is not a word. Cinnamon's not my favourite thing, but it's really good. It's not overpowering, it's just like a little hint of cinnamon. Really, really like it. Good start to the day. It's 5 to 9. I want my Fitbit on, I put it somewhere. I'm having some breakfast and I'm having the pancakes. I'm having the pancakes. I love the pancakes. So yeah. Let me stay there a minute. These are the maple protein pancakes. These are my favourite ones. I have had the plain ones as well this time. And they're nice, but they were not maple pancakes basically. These are the pancakes. I'm sure I've shown you them before. I'm going to chuck them in the toaster. I'm running out of space. So they're in my toaster. We'll pop them when they're done. And then I'm going to put some lemon juice on them today, I think. I was going to put maple syrup on them, but I'm trying to be really good because of this period. I really want to lose weight this week. So we will see. Hot! Hot! Oh, they smell so good. It's ridiculous. I just love pancakes so much. So I'm going to have these now. I'm going to put them a little tiny bit of lemon juice on. I'm literally just like, where is it? Just this stuff, like the pre-squeezed stuff. Just going to put a little bit of that on it. And then that is going to be my breakfast. That is a plan. Sorry if you can see the kids in their pajamas in the background. Whoa. There's a very hungry dog, like literally below me, just waiting for me to drop this. But yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Right, I am now having this for my lunch, which is pulled pork with beans and rainbow vegetables. Is that my camera being foggy, or is it? Yes, that's what I'm having. I've got the pulled pork bit in the microwave in a minute, and that goes for 1.5 minutes, and then you put these in, the rainbow veggies in for 1.5 minutes along with it, and then shove it all together. I'm super excited because it looks amazing. So it's all cooked. I'm just gonna, it's really hot. I'm just gonna have to put you on the side for a minute. Just wait there a sec while I dish it out because it's hot. Wow. Oh, it smells really smoky. Oh my God, this portion is ridiculous. Oh my God. I'm never going to be able to eat all this. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at that. The pork is all under here. You can see how hot it is, but the fact it's just fogged up my camera. This is a big bowl. Like, look. There's a big bowl. I'm never going to be able to eat all that. But it looks amazing. I'm going to let it cool down and then I'm going to eat it. And then I'll come back later on and let you know how it goes. But you've got some shredded cabbage, some green beans, some corn. Looks like black eye beans, haricot beans, kidney beans. Oh, it smells really smoky. Really, really smoky. Like the chipotle in it smells so good. But it is just like lava. So we'll come back in a bit. Okay. I couldn't eat it all. It's such a big portion. It was so yummy. I've eaten most of the pork, but it was literally just like, I couldn't eat it. Probably wouldn't have, for me, that probably would have been better for me to have as like my evening meal, but I just fancied it for my lunch. But I don't ever eat as much for my lunch as I do for my evening meal, so it probably would have been better. Yeah, I really, really recommend that one. If you like chipotle stuff, and like pulled pork, it's just really good. I will say, however, you can't cook that one from frozen. That just has to stay in your fridge, and then you cook it from the fridge. You can't freeze that one. Or if you can freeze it, you can't cook it from frozen. Oh, you have to double check on the packet, but I know you can't cook it from frozen. So yeah, I am coming to the end of week 4 now. It's crazy. So there's probably gonna be like 2 or 3 more little snippety snips of what I'm eating, and then we're gonna have the final weigh-in. So yeah, my period did start I feel like I should say that when I said I thought it was going to, it did. I can't remember if I actually said that it did or not, but yeah, it did, and it was a bad one. It has ended now, so I'm hoping I can, like, I'm just trying to drink my body weight in water basically to try and get rid of some of this bloat, but we will see. We'll see what the scale says, so fingers crossed, we're all good. Hey guys, so muscle food has now come to an end. I've just finished my fifth and final week, and I lost a pound. So over the extra month that I did after the first week, I lost 4.2 pounds total, which is really good for me considering that my coil was removed and I've been bloated as anything and had the worst period of my life. I'm really, really happy with £4. I definitely recommend the plan, especially if you are someone who doesn't have time to cook from scratch, or you find yourself every day like not planning what you're going to eat and grabbing stuff from like Costa or Pret or things. It can add up so fast when you eat like that this could save you money and time, and it's really nice food. That's what I kind of want to get across. It was really delicious food. Like, I wasn't expecting it. I would completely hold my hands up. I was expecting to not enjoy it, not like the food, and just really struggle. But it's really good food. I think my favourites were I really liked the tikka pizza, the apple pie porridge was really, really good. The maple syrup pancakes are obviously my favourite. The black bean chili rice pot and the satay chicken rice pot. I really, really like these. Oh, and the Chinese chicken curry stir-fry kit. Best curry I've had in my life. Hands down, easily the best curry I've had in my life. Really, really delicious. So, yeah, I want to say thank you to Muscle Food for giving me the opportunity to do this for the last month. It's been really, really amazing. I will insert my before and after pictures and my measurements. I have lost a little bit in like measurements, but it's nothing remarkable. But again, I do feel like it is just the wrong time for me to do it. I didn't really plan it properly that my coil was going to come out at that time. So I think if it had been normal, I probably would have lost a little bit more in measurements. But I'm really happy. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. If you do want to try Muscle Food, I will link all the links down below. I have a discount code if you'd like to use that as well, where you can get £5 off the plan. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.